everyone, it's Beth from Sweetheart's Hair, and today we're going to be doing a gorgeous Mohawk style, but the technique is actually quite simple, so let me show you. I'm just going to leave out a little bit at the ear and a little bit at the front. So I'm going to do a bit of a zigzag part, so just taking the comb back and forth like that, because I don't really want to see too much scalp here. So you're left with that kind of a shape. And then we're going to do exactly the same on the other side. So again, just doing that zigzag motion. So now I'm just going to literally twist this hair out of the way, and we'll deal with this last. Next, you're just going to smooth down these side pieces all the way to the nape of the neck. I've just used a little bit of water here, but you could use hairspray, wax spray, whatever you want to use. And then we're going to place this hair into a ponytail. And then we're going to take this out. A little bit of grips, this is just some texture spray. You could add some dry shampoo, back comb spray, back comb powder, whatever you wanted to. So we've added some nice texture and grip to this hair now. So we're taking this front section of hair. I'm going to split it in two, but I'm not going to split it down that way. I'm kind of going to go a little bit like that because I want to have a nice little poof at the top of the head today. So we're going to take one section over the other section, like so. I'm then going to take a full small slice of hair. I'm going to join it into this right one here, and then we're going to go again. So it's going to go over the top. We're going to add into this one, so we're going to take a full slice, adding it in, and we're going to go over the top. Now before I go any further, I'm going to just start to tease out this hair. I can do loads more at the end, but I'm just going to start to do it now. I'm going to stop there. So we're going to go again. So in this section on my right hand side, that's the only one we're adding into each time. Full slice, so full slice, and then you're just crossing it over. So you're adding in, and then you're just crossing it over. So keep doing this technique till you get to the nape of the neck, and then we're going to do some pulling out. Just tying a little elastic here. So I'm going to come to the right hand side first and just hold on to the braid. Just gently start pulling it out. I prefer to go in a little bit gently and then later on go at it more, then go in too heavy handed and then regret it because I've made it too big. But obviously this is going to be whatever your preference is. And then as you can see on this side, it looks like a completely different braid because we've got the twist on this side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to focus on these bits here. So just gently making these bits pop. So I'm going to wrap the pony. If you've followed me for a while, you know that I love to do this. I'm going to hold that little tail behind here, grab a very small elastic, tiny bit of back comb at the ponytail. I'm not going to go mad today, I don't want it to be a massive pony, just a little bit of volume, just to give it a tiny bit more illusion of thickness. What I love about this style is on the one side the braid looks like it's sort of sweeping. You come round to the back and you've got all that interest at the back. But then if we come to the other side, you've got that twisty tail. So I really think this gives from all angles. Let me know in the comments what you guys think.